Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Elfsmar 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by the Marginator. Yes. You must don't be like F-far supporters. No, you're becoming like those supporters.
I'm not like that.
No, those ones are hooligans. Don't be a hooligan. Don't push me. Sharp. No, don't be a hooligan. Don't push me. Why are you pushing me? Asfars are hooligans. North Africans are hooligans. Yes. They're hooligans. They're nonsensical. They're rubbish. Understand? We're not saying now that we're playing CAF. Yes. As South Africans. Yes. Leave my head, man. But anyway, it is what it is. Come on. Oh, that's my friend, by the way. Yeah. I'm saying we don't care. We don't care. Yes. Where they say what they say, how they say it. Yes. North Africans are hooligans. They are. And because of the respect that we have for Dr. Mutip, yes. Now we have to be abused. By them. We are not going to be abused. We won't tolerate it. We're going to go to Morocco. Yeah. We're going to kick them. Yeah. We're also going to put firelighters. Yeah. We're also going to create chaos. Yeah. Because that is the... when I relax, so what happens? Let me tell you, the only star they're going to get is a lucky star. Yes! Yes! Sometimes I never told a star. The lucky star. Sometimes I never told a star. Yeah. You sure, Marginator? Get lucky star. Are you sure? What happened? I get the man. Yes! They're gonna get lucky star. You overtrust them. Thank you, leadership.